Hi guys, it's time to start lesson 10.8. So here we go. I'll give you a moment. I hope you have your green papers out. We're going to start with the very first page, and we need to have an equation written up on the board. 59 plus 25 equals. Okay, here we go. A puzzle has 59 green pieces and 25 orange pieces. Solve 59 plus 25 to find out how many pieces we have all together. And we can use any of the strategies that you and I have been practicing this week. Okay, let's start with I think it's the easiest one. We're going to start with drawing our model. So let's draw 59 with our 10s and our 1s. And I should have started over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need 9 1s. There's my 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to add 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. There we go, 59 plus 25. Now we're going to try to make a 10. Now this one's going to be pretty easy because we already drew 9. How many do I need to take? I only need to take 1 and put it over here, okay? All right, let me change pens. And I'm going to put just a rectangle around my leftover babies, okay? All right, here we go. We're going to add up our 10s. So can you just count by 1s? And then we'll change them into 10s after we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we're going to have this one right here. That will be one more. Okay, that's going to be 8. So how many 10s do I have? I have 8 10s. And how many 1s do I have left over? Good job, Luke. Thank you. All right, 8 10s and 4 1s. All right, remember our model? 10s, 1s, 1s, 10s, and hundreds go way over. All right, I have 8 10s and 4 1s. What is the answer to 59 plus 25? Absolutely correct. It is 84. Good job. Okay, we're going to try it a different way. Oh, so much for my nice clean board, huh? All right, we're going to try it again. Now, we're going to try just doing it like we did 2 days ago. 59 is 5 10s and 9 1s. Okay? And now we're going to break apart 25. 2 10s and 5 1s. All right, so what's 5 plus 2? Good job. 7 10s. And what's 9 plus 15? Remember how we did our little trick? We take one of those and give it to him. Right, so we have 10 1s. All right. Now we're going to put 7 10s. That means 70. And then we're going to add 14. Okay, now watch what I can do. 0 plus 4 is a 4. 7 plus 1 is an 8. You see how we still got 84? Okay. Could you use your grid? Sure, you can always use your grid. I can also do it the second grade way. All right, now for those of you that are in Mrs. Hyman's class, we're going to do it the second grade way, okay? 9 plus 5. Remember, we already know it's 14. But remember, we need to pull the 10s and the 1s apart. So we're going to put the 1s in the 1s column, but the 10s have to go up here. Do you see I still wrote the number 14? I just had to pull them apart, okay? Now we're going to add the 10s column, and I'm going to put that little line right there so we keep the 1s separated from the 10s. Now we already know what 5 and 2 is, right? Remember we did that over here and I already erased it, 7 10s. 5 plus 2 is 7, but remember we can't forget about that extra 1 at the top. So what's 7 plus 1? Remember we're just going to count up 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. And now your answer is 84. That is also a good strategy. Okay, let's turn to the next page. And we're going to go to the top of the next page, and we're going to do 25 plus 17. Okay. Now I can do it using a model with my 10s and 1s. And you see how I'm going to make a 10 with those 1s and turn them into a 10. And then I have some babies left over. Now I'm going to show you how to do a number line, okay? And this one we really haven't practiced a lot. We did it a couple weeks ago when we were still in school. Remember, we had a blank number line. Okay, now I'm going to start with the big number, okay? It just makes sense. I'm going to start right here with the 25. Now, what should I do here? Well, first I'm going to jump 10. Let's jump 10. And what would I get if I added 10 to 25? Good job, Emery. We're going to go to 35. Now we still have 7 more to go. What would be a really smart thing to add out of that 7? Travis, you would like to add 5? That is absolutely correct. Now I'm going to circle this 7, and we're going to break 7 apart into a 5 and a 2, right? 5 plus 2, 7. But I need to go to the next really good number. Remember, it's always easy to count by 5s, and it's really easy to count by 10s. All right? Now we're going to go up 5, and that will bring us to 40, 25, 35, 35, 40. So we already did the 5. We already did 10. We still have a 2 to go. So we're going to jump 2 hops, and now we're just going to count by 1s this time. 40, 41, 40. JJ, help me out. 42. Good job. 25 plus 17 is 42. Okay, now we're going to go down to the bottom. And you can already see that they did number 1 for you. So I'm going to let you do that one on your own. And I'm going to zip right over to 48 plus 10. Okay. Now, could you do a model? Sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, plus 10. Now this one's really easy because I don't even have any extra babies on the end, do I? So let's put them all together and count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now let's pick up those babies. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Good job. Now what if I was using a number line? 48. And can I just make a big hop? Yep, I'm just going to make a big hop and I'm going to add 10. Now remember, if you were on your elevator, I would start on the 8s. 8, 18, 28, 38, and then I'm going to find my 48. Okay, there's my 48. And how many hops down on my elevator? Yeah, just one. And I'm going to land on 58. Now that one was pretty easy, don't you think? But it's always easy when we're working together. All right, I'd like you to continue on to the next page. Okay? And if you could, I'd like you to do the back side, okay? Now, tomorrow, please check out the math tab on the website. I am going to put the answers to all of these problems. And I'll probably go back and do it for every day that we've had math this week, so you can check your answers, okay? All right, have a great afternoon and stay tuned for Read Aloud. Love you. Bye-bye.